Max, you want to say hi?
Yo.
Jeez. All right.
All right, we're in a race against the sun going down at this point. So
exactly. So where were we? We just finished the laser packs. So everything is old. I figured since this was out, these came in what, a couple weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. The rubber dunks. So they're made in China for those who didn't know. And
So
I can
how
actually
did you-
really appreciate these. Yeah, so I mean, just happen to work in music and have a bunch of
because
colleagues
these are
and
not
stuff like
available
that.
in America. I mean, short of buying them resale.
Yeah, they were given to me as a gift.
Nice.
So I'm gonna put this on the box. Hey, where's Dylan? We lost our little box. We said put those on the boxes behind you, please. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's quickly go through the LeBrons. And the funny thing is, I'm looking at these and I'm wondering where those first games are. I'm sure they were called Air Zoom. Here we go. So you can tell by the box that these are from the early 2000s, right? So Air Zoom Generation first game. So these are the first LeBrons to ever come out.
Did LeBron James wear them, or are they named after?
And then they say 11/5. I said 11/15 earlier, but it's 11/5.
You actually remember the
2003.
date that close. That's interesting.
And then they came with the card, which I do have the card. Aha. Not so the
no way.
retro
no
ones
way.
don't have the
Look
card.
at LeBron here. Oh my gosh. Look at close up. He's mean mugging.
So it's funny, when these came out, not everybody got a card, and the shoe with the card is what it's about. Don't know if that's still true today, but that is definitely was the case, and you can tell by that era we were talking about all the carbon fiber they were doing. So it's all the carbon fiber inlays to get the bounce and stability. Let's put these back. Are these are a size 11. Let's see, they look kind of big. Thank you. Box back, please. All right, so now let's.
This is all you gone through?
Yeah, it's all we've gone through.
For how long?
Yeah, we don't know. But so this is.
Don't judge us.
So let's see what these are. Honestly, I have. These are LeBrons. Obviously, you have the line on here. I do not understand why Nike
I already looked that one up. The next.
came out with boxes that fit the box and boxes that don't. So depending on what size shoe, determine what
that
size.
might be why. LeBron shoes might
box.
be. Whoa, that box is crazy. What is going on here?
So
Oh my gosh.
this was based after, I believe, that the LeBron logo.
What is this?
I don't remember if these are the Chamber of Fears or the Forbidden Cities. They're one of them.
That looks like, I'm gonna say this is a Forbidden City just because that looks pretty
Yeah.
Forbidden City. Whoa,
So-
and look at this. It's got the LeBron logo on that button. That is crazy.
So there was a thing here back in the day where you could opt to get this part lasered, and it would either have the L23 or this line. I opted no laser, just the boxes by itself is fine with me. So
Whoa, it's
Okay.
a box in a box.
yeah, see how it's cracking right
Oh,
there.
what's that?
So hold
What
on,
these?
hold on.
Oh, the card.
These are the Forbidden Cities. They printed these
Called
out.
it. That was totally
So I
just
took a
for
bunch of the
coin.
cards. So these,
You don't
Stacy's
call
not
that.
going to be on video, but
I
these were
did.
the ones we
it's
were
on
saying.
record, bud.
We were getting dim sum,
What is
and they had this. So it came with a T-shirt, the LeBron 4 T-shirt. It's funny. These made in the USA.
What?
These are definitely
It's
either American Apparel or alternate apparel, just by the tag. Anybody who's made T-shirts know. They know the tags.
Wait, so this was not with every pair then?
It was not with every pair. It was only with this edition. So LeBron 4s, varsity red and white. I'm making an assumption here that this colorway was only for
a
this
box
edition.
and a box and a box.
And we're about to find out.
Yeah, this
all
is a
the
box and a
Princess
box and a
King
box.
James 23. All over the place.
It's true. It's right. King Strange 20.
And I'm going to say this box was never opened.
LeBron for what?
LeBron for Forbidden City. Okay. Come with the velvet pouch. And, oh yes, I remember these. So, again, back to the deposit material.
Golden plate.
Wow.
For
Oh,
those-
dude, that hardware. Look at that hardware.
Yeah, GZ and Buscemi, now you know where they got it from. They totally ripped off LeBron. And here it
I did
says,
put this on
never
YouTube.
forget to hear the voice of the athlete by PK Knight. Funny how that kind of rings true today. So,
This is sad.
I don't know what this
What is it?
N, is that a LHY? I really don't know.
King. King? No.
No. Someone know? Yeah, if somebody knows what this means, it'll be interesting. But these are the Forbidden Cities. Again, the carbon.
What is it? What does it say on the back end of the sole? Is that lettering too?
Oh, you know what?
No, THE what? I don't know what is going on there either.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna look that up. We'll find out. But deposit material was Nike's most expensive material for the longest time. It probably still is. But it's a foam. It's kind of like the Tempur-Pedic memory foam where you wear it and it conforms to your foot.
And that's what the entire upper is made out of?
That's what the upper is made out of. So Penny Hardaway was the first to have deposit with the pennies, and then that became the Flight Posit. Then KG had the Flight Posit 2, and then they started kind of coming out everywhere.
You should be a sneaker historian.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's see. Put it back in the box. Thank you.
This box is mad.
Box
This
in a
is
box in a
crazy.
box.
Yep.
Box in a box in a box in a bag in.
Oops.
What about these?
String.
What about these?
Yeah, we'll put those back.
You have 4 of these?
No, 2 of them.
Okay.
So one of them is size 8.5. Oh, next we messed up here. There we go. Let's close that up nicely. Oh, can you please move your drink, buddy? Okay. You be careful with this box, Max. All right, please take your drink and put it on the Supreme stool.
Yeah, don't put it on the
Just don't put it on the boxes. Put this on the floor over there. Yeah, we're gonna assume this is the same right here, but let's just check the size for record keeping. Hold this wooden box, Max, or the brown box. Just hold the brown box. Okay, let's see.
Really? I'm guessing a box in a box in a box.
Oh my gosh, and you would be right.
Same box.
Same box.
Slightly dense.
9.
Size 9. So yeah, I think they only had one run of each of these. And what happened there was they had this release in different areas.
Oh, oh.
So they-
Here's you. I want to see.
Stop. Max, stop. Oh yeah. So in San Francisco, I think one of these went missing, and that's where it came, right here.
What?
They had these hanging everywhere, and I really wanted one. So yeah.
You stole it?
No, I didn't steal it. I'm sure they would remember it.
I'm pretty sure it fell on the floor and he picked it up.
That's exactly what happened then.
Odd.
Okay,
So,
let's put this box
on top
this
of
way.
the box.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, Air Zoom LeBron 3, again, it's in the box. So this must be in another case.
Wow. Dude.
So So those were the LeBron 4s. These are the LeBron 3s.
This is ridiculous.
Okay. We're gonna look. I got it. We're gonna see what these look like.
Holy
Oh my
cow.
gosh.
Okay. So they have the Asian jewelry box case.
Oh
But I
my
bet this-
I'm
gosh.
just glad to have the game of basketball in my life.
Look at this. 706 out of 1,000. Wow.
Wow.
This
they
is the
have-
craziest
like
case
this.
I've ever
Yeah.
seen. Oh my gosh.
They have these. Oh, and there's this on the back.
China
China
2005. What? Look
Yes.
at this. It's in like
Look at
a
that.
velvet. Oh,
Yeah.
these are crazy. They're even
Oh,
numbered
even
in the
the sign.
shoe.
They have the sign right here.
Oh yeah, the LeBron.
They got the LeBron sign.
They're even numbered in the shoe. Who does that? It's freaking stitched in. These are crazy.
I forgot about these.
What,
How can you forget
was,
about these?
Let's see what size this one is.
Oh, there's something down.
What? This one is a size 8.5.
let's see the can I see the other
Okay, go for
side?
it.
I like these. I love the detail there. Wow. These are mad. What do you think retail on, like, what was this originally?
I have no idea. I mean, they were probably a couple hundred at the most. I think the most expensive shoe at the time was $195.
Hey Dylan, did you see this?
Which
You,
are the
you
foam
need to
posits.
see the inside of this. This is crazy.
It's completely insane. Those are cool. And the numbers are just stitched.
Okay. So there's two of these. We're going to open the other one just to see the size.
And to see if there's anything
this
else
one
in
called?
there.
Air Zoom LeBron. Hey, Max, in here, buddy. Air Zoom LeBron 3. And actually it says probably in the box right here. And then that says 8.5.
What is the
Yeah, 8.5.
crazy?
And then this one, so this one has it here too. This one is another one. We don't know what number it is in terms of the special edition, but
White Varsity Crimson Chrome. Is it the
Yeah.
same color or
same colors.
Okay.
Everything's the same. That was 706. I'm going to assume this is 702 just by that right there. Okay, be careful with that box, please. All right, let's see what. I guess these are Zoom LeBron. So I must have.
Oh!
So it kind of tells you how old these kids are because I stopped collecting as they were born or right around marriage, like when we bought our house. Okay,
They
so
didn't stop gaming when we were born.
let's see.
And so far as it goes, yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember these. So Zoom LeBron 2, and they had the whole tattoos. That's why I really dig these. Actually, I'd wear these today. These kind of hold up. Like if you look at a lot of shoes have the materials. It has the retro with the Nike. I mean, it actually looks like a lot of fashion sneakers today. Oh man, actually, these are kind of dope. If I have a second, if that box down there is exactly the same, I'm gonna start to wear one.
What's that called?
Zoom LeBron 2.
Ooh, what color?
Zoom LeBron 2, also 8.5. This one is black, white, silver, varsity red.
I already started opening it.
Black, white, graphite. So this one is different.
Oh, this comes completely out.
Oh, this one's all black.
Wow.
So these were, I believe, special editions from the colorways. Also around Chinese New Year before they came out with those boxes. So,
Let's see the tattoo area on.
yeah. The L23. I'm curious if he still uses that logo or not.
Something similar for sure.
Yeah. Oh, you have to go slow, okay, Max? Thank you. All right, so that covers the LeBrons. Can you put this box over there, please?
Okay.
Where should we go to next?